so I've decided to put my butt back here. So I'm gonna try, because this is already broken anyways, and it looks like this whole thing, this back little section, actually clips in. So I'm gonna try and unclip it so I won't have to cut up the car and see if I can make that work. This is gonna take a while. Quick lunch break. Alright, so now that I got all the plastic out, we're gonna try and make a seat with that little sheet metal, and then on the bottom of it, we're gonna use the old seat and put it up here so that there's airflow to the motor, because that gets hot very quickly, as well as because we're replacing the motor and putting two, so it's gonna need some airflow in here so it doesn't overheat. But I'm gonna have Brandon help me cut the sheet metal, so it's just that's what's holding up the seat basically, and then we're gonna make it work with the rear of the Porsche. So I'll have a seat finally. No, it's not hooked up, I know, but safety first. Okay, so to get this properly mounted on the sheet of metal that we cut for the seat to actually sit on, I'm going to use this little shard, or this little scrap metal that came from that cut. I'm going to make these little L brackets that go against the seat and then against the actual seat mount. And then I'm going to make the seat mount where it can be taken off or put on, just so I can get easy access to the motors and the batteries. But this part I'm probably going to make it so it doesn't come off. So basically when I take the seat mount off, the seat comes off with it. But yeah, so it should be somewhat simple and somewhat safe. Okay, so he welded all of these little brackets on, so now the seat should fit. Okay, now that he has welded all of these little brackets, we're going to probably self-tapper these into it, but now I should have a seat. Jesus. It's like full body weight.
Oh.
This one's a little... Do you want to hit that more?
Hit it with the peen.
Hit it with the peen. Oh, okay, well.
Right, all I need was a single peen.
One peen time.
Okay. I mean, I'd be down. Especially if there's no hog rings and it just goes in.
What?
If there's a hog ring, can I kick
Woo!
your shin? Whoa! Alright. I'm down. Sounds good.
It's tapped.
And I mean, it doesn't really matter where it is because you're going to move it to put the other ones in.
Well, that's
but
what I want it, so you hold down and I'll just...
And then also,
a little further away.
would you probably around like lunchtime, you'll
Okay.
run out of my house?
professionally installed seat. Now we're ready to ride.
Fake. Mad fake.
I'm gonna come in and try and do a drift again.
To hell.